Hi guys, welcome to the channel, welcome to the video. So in this video we are going to be looking at or learning how to uninstall WordPress website in our cPanel. So if you have been able to install your WordPress and you want to uninstall it, so this good video is going to help you to be able to know how to uninstall your WordPress in your cPanel. Let's go right now. Log into our cPanel. Let's log into our cPanel and see the website we are going to uninstall the WordPress file. So first of all we need to do, we scroll down to the extreme of the cPanel. We come down to the extreme, then we see where they say script, under script, another soft app installer. You see script, then you see WordPress. You click on WordPress. Then after clicking on WordPress, it's going to load. So instead of you to be on install, you go to overview, click on overview. After you have clicked on overview, then you come down, then you see the domain name, you see your login as admin, then you see there, you click on this remove. Once you click on remove, you scroll down, you see all the files has been ticked, you scroll down, then you click on remove installation. Then you say, are you sure you want to remove this? You say, okay. Then it will load. So we are waiting for it now. It has finished loading. Then after finished loading, then you return back to. So we are returning back. Let me click on install. Let me return back to that place now. So I will show you overview now. Then once we go back to overview, you can see now we have no script that has been installed. So let's refresh the website that we are able to. The website, okay, you can see now 404. Why is showing 404 now is because it has been uninstalled. So guys, that's how you can be able to uninstall a WordPress file in your website. How you can uninstall a WordPress file or WordPress in your cPanel. So this is the end of this video.